They say Parana don't enter inside wahala as he don't come aside, can't talk many things against Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. My people, as that one dey happen, one of the US member don vow say if instead of Simon Ekpa go bring Biafra, im go sabotage the struggle. No be small thing o. They say that for Ukpo today for Anambra State, they say that unknown government don buy 4 security men and set everywhere on fire because people come aside for sit at home. My wonderful people, we are going to look some videos. Don't forget to see there for Balabas Cheese. Let me bring up you the video of waiting US member talk concerning Simon Ekpa and Biafra. So instead of Simon Ekpa go bring Biafra, he go make sure say in sabotage the struggle. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
The criminal in Finland will give me Biafra. Let me not generalize it. Will give me Biafra. I will be a stone block for him. I will destroy it. Do you now understand what I'm saying? I will be the highest rebel. And my rebel will carry big actions. I don't write. I don't speak what I cannot do. But I know that some of you will think that we are all the same because social media is a place that you will be in your room, put a ring light on a camera, begin to speak. We don't come to, rant or begin to give threats. No, we don't give threats to anybody. Because we know that social media, after you finish talking, you off your camera, you go and sleep. So ranting and threatening on social media cannot give you anything. But I said this, keep this record, and write it down any place that you feel like you can't. So in a time to come, you are going to remember that Maso Kenu Kichuku the general said, if Simon Ekpa will give me Biafra, I will be the destroyer. I will be a stone block for him. I will be, I don't know how to put this, stone block.
As that one dey happen, let us jump go see wetin Parana talk concerning Simon Ekpa.
Then this one he come, this one I be the Prime Minister in exile. He come say, Biafra won't play ball like this. Oh, but the first international game, he go do JC hire some. But then a black American, okay, there. You see that? When they enter feed, you say, hey, Biafra now they play one club team. They don't say, oh yeah, we are starting something, my brother. These people now they use Unai. Then they bring Unai, tell you, I don't know what I want to explain now. If people they see all these things online, because they make us the future. This one are the Igbos, where would they grow up, they come where they tell us, say, these guys are smart people, now like this. Now they fall for all these things where Simon Ekpa and the rest people they really do. If anybody want to turn, they go straight. If you want to follow me, Una they bring disgrace to Igbos. Those of them we do online, where they won't fight for Biafra in a very stupid way. In what they really talk self, they really make sense for people here. When you say, oh, the battle is spiritual battle, and they fight a physical. It's a spiritual battle, like the way Christianity they clean people. When they talk to our people, they bring disgrace to Igbos. What is all this now? What is on our waiting? When you talk now, they say, oh, they don't like us. Everybody like on our body. They see all this kind of thing. And you see people, whenever go school, they comment, oh, right down, my prime minister, oh, yeah, they have all the way, oh, yeah. I just look that, say, Some of them, they donate money, they give all this Simon Ekpa, they donate to, they give them different formats. All those consignment formats. You say consignment format, not the finish. The consignment is at the airport clearance, custom clearance. You don't understand, you can't move small. They call you hold them again. Stop order. They need something from. You understand what I mean? Now they hear the use of that, they do so. Wise up. Your own people, now they do you. After they don't do you, they call blow you. Now the Fulani, now the Hausa, now they do us too. Where would they grow up the corner? So they tell us, worry, they carry last. Hey, we call it the take enter our head. Until I come out from worry, I can't look back. We dey back now. We even carry last pass. And so as they say, we do a bigger data, the bigger. Check us now for entertainment industries. Check us for everywhere now. We dey back. Now you use that thing they tell you, oh, worry, not the carry we worry. My brother, we dey back in everything. That's how I see the turn. And now the reason we smart pass for Nigeria like this. My brother, sit down and look your state. The southeast. Now we smart pass. Wait till they there. If they say the best state now for data for Nigeria. I'm not sure say the first call southeast among 10. Sit down and think, what did be our problem? When I first solve our first, you guys have problem between on that. When they dupe on our people, all in the name of Biafra, and they dupe on our people, they squander on our people. I don't talk finish.
So many Biafrans don't send message, give banana, tell and say, for this way in talk, Ingo pay puto, my people, things are happening. Let us also watch waiting Obasanjo, the comment where they say Obasanjo make recently, say, Ingo defend one Nigeria with his own head. Watch the video.
It appears he's going to communicate a different narrative, which may be misinterpreted.
Yeah.
How is the league responding to that?
Well, I think, thank you very much once again. The visit to our leaders, of course, one of them, as you very well referred to, was former President Olusegun Obasanjo. He welcomed the idea after listening to us, after listening to our argument, our objectives, our focus. He commended our effort. But as a nationalistic person, he said, look, this problem is not limited to the North alone. Why can't you broaden your contacts and reach out to your colleagues up in the other part of the country and come up with a National League of Democrats? And that was a very wonderful suggestion. We came back, and that is already on the table before the leadership of the league and is being considered. And we've already started reaching out to some few names, and we are registering the same understanding, and we are receiving the cooperation, and they applauded it. Very soon, we will come up with what he suggested. And he, in fact, went further to say that any day you come up with a national League of Democrats, come back, I will be the grand patron, because he said anything to break up this country, he will use his last blood to defend it. He is a Nigerian, he is proud to be a citizen of Nigeria, and he is not prepared. And a number of them that we reached out to express the same thing. So I think this will soon be on board. We are sure.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. I have said this in it before, and I'm saying it again. Nigeria, especially the Yorubas, those Yoruba leaders, are not ready, and the Fulani leaders are not ready to lose their national cake. You know, when lazy person there for one office, they enjoy himself, you come out and they go turn to madman. So they are not ready to lose their national cake. That is one thing you guys have to understand. So, however, you don't talk come aside. Then we are watching how you go take defend them. Then I see the Wakana people want hold them. Now I want to take defend the one Nigeria when they talk about. However, let us also go and listen for what happened for inside Anambra State today before we come back and proceed.
Live in Ubo, Onongome. Now, live in Ubo roundabout. Ubo roundabout, Onongome. I'm Ubo attack now, right now, in Ubo.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, now waiting they happen today for inside Anambra. Now we say more carry control na more see as it they go. Southeast was one of the peaceful states they have in Nigeria. Today, Southeast have become a war zone. I remember one thing that Mazen Ndekalo said. He said that we will fight a war with anybody who say that we are not going to get our freedom, but that will not be in our own land. Ndekalo said this thing. So if you're enjoying what is happening in Southeast today, it's good for you. But if you are not enjoying it, then let us take this battle to the doorstep of our enemy. We know the people who are sending the police, the security. We know where they are. Let us go there and take the word to them. You understand? And defend our land. You know, this struggle have come to a point when you bring your opinion, you see people start attacking you, start correcting you, start trying to cause you, to threat you. But thank God that we have a technology that can tell us where you are now. So once your threat is that serious, we'll pick you up. So we no longer tell people don't threat or don't talk or no. Once it write nonsense and we'll just put it, you tell us where you are, we'll just come and pick you. So thank God for that technology. So my people, let us take this battle to the house of our enemy and stop destroying our land. This is what I have to say. I did not call anybody here before you come to write your nonsense. I will fight you. I swear to God, I will fight you. We will dictate you. We will pick you. My people, share this video as you don't read.